This 2019 Grand Design Solitude 375 Res R is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, external shower, skylight, microwave, slide-out, water heater, smoke detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Solitude 375 Res R is 14,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.